Now, one of the best ways to ensure the best surface finish possible is to maintain a constant cusp when performing a finish operation. Now, one CNC mill expert can definitely do that using the constant offset machining. And that's what I'd like to demonstrate here. But first of all, what I want to do is I want to change my view, and I want to just give you a cross section of that pocket that we're going to be machining here. So let's go into our cross sectioning, and I'm just going to slide this just about here. And what I want to point out is just that there's different angles that the pocket is made up of. You can see we have one angle for this side, we have another angle here, and then we have a flat bottom, and then a couple of fillets that are joining that all together. Point being is that what we want to do is we want to maintain a constant cusp when finishing this. Now for this particular part, I've already performed the roughing operation, and I've already performed the constant offset machining. Now if you take a look, you can see that Mill Expert has maintained a constant cusp height. One of the other things I want to point out is if I go to a top view and I click here, you can see that the toolpath is varying in distance in relationship to the XY axis, but that's because it's adjusting itself based upon the angle. The end result is going to give you a constant cusp and a very, very nice surface finish. So let's simulate this. I'm going to right hand mouse click. Let's go into simulate, and we'll use the solid model for our stock. All right, so here's our roughing operation. Going to zoom in just a little bit here. I'm going to let it start simulating the toolpath, and then when it gets to the constant cusp machining, I'm going to let it start, and then I will pause the video and then come back and show you the final result. So here we go. We're starting the constant cusp machining right now. Let it make another pass here. Now I'll put the video on pause, and I'll be right back when it's finished. Alright, so here's the final result, and you can see that we have a beautiful surface finish with that cusp height being maintained regardless of the angle of the sides of the surfaces. Didn't matter whether the surfaces were straight up and down, through different angles, or flat. That cusp height was maintained all the way around. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.